Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and insights in digital marketing. Today, we're going to discuss how ChatGPT can help boost your digital marketing efforts. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you approach digital marketing. So, let's get started. Before we dive into how ChatGPT can help in digital marketing, let's quickly understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning algorithms to understand human language and generate responses that are almost indistinguishable from those of a human. The model has been trained on a massive amount of data and can provide insights, generate content, and answer complex questions. Now, let's move on to how ChatGPT can help in digital marketing. ChatGPT can help in various aspects of digital marketing, such as content creation. Creating high-quality content is crucial for digital marketing success. ChatGPT can help generate content ideas, write blog posts, social media posts, and product descriptions. This tool can help you save time and effort in generating content that resonates with your target audience. Customer support. Customer support is an essential aspect of digital marketing. ChatGPT can help provide instant and accurate responses to customer queries, providing a seamless customer experience. This can help build trust and loyalty among your customers. Personalization. Personalization is the key to successful digital marketing. ChatGPT can help in creating personalized content for your audience by analyzing their behavior, preferences, and interactions with your brand. Lead generation. ChatGPT can help in lead generation by collecting data, analyzing it, and providing insights into your target audience's behavior. This information can help you create targeted campaigns that resonate with your audience and generate leads. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help boost your digital marketing efforts. By providing personalized content, generating leads, and improving customer support, ChatGPT can help you create a better customer experience and grow your business. So, if you're looking to improve your digital marketing game, ChatGPT is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.